Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Become part of our family. If you've been here before, welcome back. Also take a look at some of our previous videos. You are sure to find something you like. But in today's video, in today's home decor design series, let's talk about modern luxury or luxury modern. So just to say really quickly, if you have not joined our Facebook page already, definitely come on over, head over to facebook.com and search for And Then There Was Style. Join our Facebook page so we can chat and talk and just really kiki it up. But let's get into this video. So I'm not going to do a ton of talking on this video. You guys know I can talk. I want this to be a relaxing video just for you guys to really look at the rooms. But I know a lot of people are confused about what modern luxury is. It's a fairly new concept or term that's only been around the past maybe 10 or 15 years. So we can actually define it by looking at the terms that are in it. Luxury interior designers mix style with pleasure and ease for every aspect of daily life by choosing materials and room designs that are on trend while also maintaining inviting softness and utility. In the luxury realm of home decor, you say bye-bye to ugly recliners, scratchy sheets, tough carpeting, and really uncomfy spaces in a luxury home. But when you look at modern design, it's an interior design style characterized by a monochromatic color palette, really clean lines, minimalism, natural materials, and natural light. So it refers specifically to a historical aesthetic movement that took place during the early to mid 20th century time frame. So basically, modern luxury is merging or marrying those two home decor styles together. In the design world, luxury is not defined by certain colors or materials as much as it's defined by how you feel in the room. A luxuriously designed room needs to be beautiful, comfortable, timeless, and elegant. One more little tidbit of information. Gold accents are such a lovely touch to add to your modern luxury home. They amp up the glam but keep things timeless. So if we merge those two designs together, the modern luxury interior design style is the unabashed embrace of luxury living in today's contemporary style. So it's going to use elegant fabrics and beautiful finishes, large scale and simple lines to reinforce this feeling of elegance and grace. And also you will never, ever, ever sacrifice comfort. Worn finishes may be used, but when they are, they still denote beauty and luxury, not just age and wear. So you aren't going to see a ton of distressing here. And another little tidbit of information for you. When I say metallics, either gold or silver finishes are appropriate and can really complement a room. Alright guys, so I am going to ask you, as I do in every video that I post, what was your favorite room out of this video? Definitely drop it down below in the comment section so I can see it and read it and understand it. I gave you so many good options this video. I feel like it's going to be tough, but I think you can do it. Comment down below. So I always ask you guys to comment down below what your favorite room of this video is. What is something that you just thought was gorgeous? If you want to see mine, one of mine, because I loved a lot, is this room right here. There was so much going on. It's a lot of understated glam and luxury, and I really loved it. What do you think? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with other home decor lovers, and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Stay safe.